Welcome to my chefing. My name is Chef Fran, and if you're new to this channel, welcome. And if you're returning back, thank you for coming back. But first, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and like button so you can have fresh new content from me every single week. Here is this delicious Calic stuffed bagel. So I added Parmesan on one of them, and this is what the original looks like. Stuffed with cream cheese, dunked in butter, garlic, and parsley. Oh, it smells so good. And with cream cheese, that is good. That is really good. So we are making our stuffed bagel. Comes from the Calic Bakery in California in Koreatown. So here is our whipped cream cheese. You can buy any brand you like. I just bought the Walmart brand. So you can buy any brand you like of the whipped cream cheese. I'm sure that's not probably what they use, but that's what we're gonna use. The key is to not cut your bagels all the way down because you wanna be able to stuff them. So, and then we have our melted butter here that we're gonna add some garlic to and some parsley. So I'm gonna take the shortcut and use my little gadget here to chop down my garlic. I'm gonna add it to my butter. Okay, move this out the way. And allow it to just kind of do its work for me. Just chop it. Okay. And our garlic will be this way, super fine. And I'm gonna add that to the butter. And then we're gonna add some dry parsley to it. All of our ingredients and measurement for this recipe will be included in this video. And then we're gonna add in our parsley. Just shake some parsley up. And then you just kind of give that a little quick stir. And so we added the parsley and the garlic just to some melted butter. I used the Kerrygo butter. You use butter, whichever is the butter that you like to your preference. And we're gonna put that right here. And now we're going to work on cutting our bagels. Now the key, like I said, is that you don't wanna cut it all the way down. So you just wanna make a slit here and then stop. So that way you can just kind of open it up and stuff it and it still holds together. Okay. Now bagels sometimes have a weird shape to them. Like this bagel has a little bit of a weird shape. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so some people I've seen them do 8. The bagel place that we were talking about, they have, so you just wanna, now we're gonna stuff these corners. They have 6, so I have 6 here as well. I don't have a piping bag, but I do have the tip. This is a 1M. And so I am going to put the whipped cream cheese in here and we're gonna pipe it. I guess some people may not have the piping bag. You probably can use a small spatula to kind of stuff inside your slits as well. I'm sure that would be doable. So I am gonna take my other spatula to kind of fill my piping bag, well, my fake piping bag. Here's your thing. So here's a little trick that I used to kind of do when I was in culinary school. So you want to just kind of smooth this all the way down like this. Vitamin stuffed bagel, bagel, B complex vitamins, cream cheese, A, D, calcium and phosphorus, butter, A, B12, D, E, and K2, parsley A, B, C, K, calcium, iron, and magnesium, garlic B6, C, manganese, and selenium, Parmesan cheese A, B6, and B12. And we're going to open this up like an incision, and we're going to stuff it. Like that. There you go. So now it's all stuffed. Now you can take some off the top if you like. Place it back in here. Okay, so now we're gonna take our stuffed bagels and we are going to dip it. Turn it over and dip it here as well. And this is what the whole craze is about. And so I'm putting it in my air fryer on bake mode. I guess anything that has butter on it tastes great. So I am going to bake it on 350 for, I'm only going to start off with 5 minutes and see how it looks on my air fryer, but on bake mode and not air fryer mode. So what I'm gonna do is do one of the original, like that, and I'm gonna add my own little twist and add a little bit of Parmesan on one of them. So. And here are a list of ingredients. So here we are with our Calic stuffed bagels, the viral stuffed bagels. Hunger takes a severe toll on seniors' health and nutrition. Well, G, here we have the famous viral Calic stuffed bagel. Stuffed with cream cheese, drenched, literally drenched, and melted butter with garlic and parsley. And I decided to jazz it up a little bit, so I did this one with some shredded Parmesan. So G, we're gonna taste a little bit of each. Now first, look at the stuffing here. And look at that nice crust of the Parmesan. What do you guys say, G?
Yeah, it's a nice color on the top with all the, I can't tell what that is, the green stuff.
The parsley. Yeah. Look at G's bagel. Show it to them. Okay. That is good. It's so creamy because the cream cheese is melted, and then that Parmesan on top of it with that nice crust, totally divine. And then the garlic is nice and subtle, but you can taste that it's there. This is a dream.
Overall, it adds a nice flavor, and with the softness of the bagel, it's just like you're eating a nice savory snack.
Yeah, it's delicious. Listen, this is easy to try if you have Parmesan home and you have bagel and cream cheese and more than likely you have parsley and garlic. You can do this. Your family will love you. Your friends will love you. So I thank you for hanging out with Gio and I, and we will see you in our next video. And remember, be good to yourself and God bless you.